Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a Cogency. Pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today we have DThang G's with Habits. Now we just watched the K-Flock before they're famous. I'm like, what better video to do after than K-Flock's cousin new music video, bro? Which is also is up. You know what I'm saying? New video. Just drop. Well, not just drop. Wait, drop 2 days ago? Yeah, dropped 2 days ago. But you don't know. The party don't start till I get there anyway, motherfuckers. I don't give a fuck. You don't know. Road to 2K, bros. We're at 1.7 right now. So please, if you're seeing this, please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. You understand? Comment your name, where you're from, and where you want me to react to next. And you don't know, I'll get to that shit. And I reply to all comments in the comment section as well. So comment anything, bro. Now I'm saying it's a community over here. You don't know. But DThang G's with Habits. I don't want to waste any time. I just want to jump into this shit. Mine? You don't know. But yeah, let's go. Clock that boom! Oh, she have the butterfly tattoo and everything. Jesus Christ, baby girl, come here. Baby girl, what's your name? Hey, anyway.
And I fell in love with my ratchet. They said shooters, but I turned that to a hat. My 40 is stretching my elastic. And I do this for gang, so I got a tie. You know I can't fuck with no whack bitch. I need one of a kind, like really a bad bitch. I swear I be finna the blast them. And we spend we see him to rim with a pass. She said it's my change for her. She said to think you sexy, you know that you different. And they know it's no change in us. They tell them
Oh man, dog. The way them just have the bro, can my YouTube stop doing that fucking shit, man? When I do this, do it for that. Yeah. The way him have the girl singing the lines, blood and everything, dog. And the girl's sexy as fuck as well. Fucking hell.
Blast them. And we spend we see him to rim with a pass. She said it's my change for her. She said to think you sexy, you know that you
different.
And they know it's no change in us. They tell on my black if you don't put it pay for us. So bro just geek. And it's switches the records, they just want the fade from us. OGs just speed. There's the forces around you know they be chasing us. We gon' bend they block. We got unlimited shots. Creep through their blocks and the catches are out. But these niggas be fast, they be talking to cops. Oh, he talking.
Oh, wait, so about talking to cops?
Shots. Creep through their blocks and the catches are out. But these niggas be fast, they be talking to cops. Oh, he talking hot. So he gotta drop. How many ops done died on their block? Oh, wow. OGs will get put in a box. Like, but I don't do the politicking.
Like, bro, you didn't even say the name, fam. Why you put it in the ad-lib, fam? Anyways, bro, that shit was going off, bro. Listen.
They be talking to cops. Oh, he talking hot. So he gotta drop. How many ops done died on their block? Oh, wow. OGs will get put in a box. Like, but I don't do the politicking. Like, but these niggas be dissing. Saying my name like these niggas is bitch. And rule number one, if we see them start clicking, I just been towing my Smithing, And Bando been towing the 9. All of my ops, they bumps. Most of them folded. A lot of them niggas done died, And sure they be feeling for clout. Bunny out Julie Bop while I'm all and I damn they think I'm a slouch.
Ooh, Bunny Hopper and Julie Bop in the bow. Jesus Christ.
And Bando been towing the 9. All of my ops, they bumps. Most of them folded. A lot of them niggas done died, And sure they be feeling for clout. Bunny out Julie Bop while I'm all and I damn they think I'm a slouch. Every reach for my change, if it's birds on the couch. And this shit get physical, like we'll get rid of you. And my knock so loud, I ain't hearing you. Both of them got shot, one lip is a mirror. Like OET, can't know we done problems. I know Gunna gon' hop out the spot. We smoking no bro, but I have you a knocker. When we catch him, send him to the dock. And we going up, ain't nothing gon' stop. No, if we gon' shoot, tryna be the top shotter. And I'm number one on the roster. Fuck EK, we be smoking his father. And I fell in love with my ratchet. They said shit.
Bro, this ain't got shit to do with me, bro. I swear to you, this have nothing to do with me, dog. But what the fuck, fam? Y'all smoke on the man's father? On his father? Okay, bro. All right, as I said, bro, ain't got nothing to do with me, bro, but that line is fucked, fam. That line is fucked.
Send him to the dock and we going up. Ain't nothing gon' stop. No, if we gon' shoot, tryna be the top shotter. And I'm number one on the roster. Fuck EK, be smoking his father. And I fell in love my ratchet. They said shooting us, but I turned that to a hat. My 40 is stretching my elastic. And I do this for gang, so I got it tied. You know I can't fuck with no whackers. I need one of a kind, like really a guy. I swear I be finna to blast them. And we spin and we see him to remote. And she said it's my change for her. She said think that you sexy, you like that. And he knows no change and all. Can't tell on my back if you don't put it pay for. I told bro just geek. And it's smooth as a rock, cause they just want the fame from us. OGs just sweet. Cause the folks is somebody you know they be chasing us.
What was that sound, bro? What was that?
If you don't put it pay for us, oh bro just geek. And it's smooth as a rock, cause they just want the fame from us. OGs just sweet. Cause the folks is somebody you know they be chasing us.
No clue what that was. You see how they might use the ginger beer bucket for the you see, D&G ginger beer buckle them I use, brother. You have to know your things, them, man. Anyway, more on some ginger beer now. It's just crazy how the yard man them we just carry with culture go everywhere, brother. Me all I watch Bronx drill video and I say G&G Jamaican ginger beer buckle. Yeah, Jamaicans, bro, we're the best. But anyway, back to the video. Gang. Gang. Yo. Bro, what is you do now? I'm playing the video them right after I done. Give me some time now, YouTube, man. Bumbleclot. Anyways, DThang G's with habits. Yo. Not gonna lie, this was 6 still. The girl in the video, oh my god. That girl there, boy, DThang, I don't know where you find that girl there, bro, but you have to go send her my way. Like, just for one video. I just want her for a video, bro. I don't want her for nothing else. Just one video. But yo, this was 60. We get flows, get bars, the beat, boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? The beat was going mad and the video nice too. So, what I get? Actually, you guys rate it. Tell me what you rate it in the comments. Tell me what, if you like it, if you don't like it. Tell me what else you want me to react to in the comments. And road to 2K, bros. I'm not going to stop saying it, bro. Road to 2K, we're at 1.7. So if you see this, please hit the subscribe button for me. Hit the like button and comment something. I reply to all the comments. You know what I'm saying? But you don't know. Cogency and the Cogency Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, right? Peace. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.